Testing, 1, 2, 3, nice. Shit, I need my phone. I forgot my script. Ever since I started building my own mechanical keyboards, I've had one main goal in mind: to make the typing experience quieter. I got pretty close with my first two builds using Elias and Gateron silent switches, but it's time to step it up. What I have here is a Tofu WKL with whatever PCB KVD fans is shipping in it these days. It's got a gray top and a blue bottom to complement the keycap set, which is GMK Space Cadet. Quick side note, GMK Space Cadet is probably the coolest keycap set ever. It was modeled after a keyboard that was designed by John L. Culp for use with Lisp machines. The switches, arguably the biggest noise generator inside a keyboard, are silent linear Sakurios from Zeal PC. They have a 62-gram actuation force. Nice. I lubed them with TriboSys 3204 and they are dope. Inside the board, I have placed shelf liner to eliminate any pinging or echo that may occur from typing. Additionally, I ordered authentic GMK cherry stabilizers from Novel Keys because the stock stabs that came with the board were horrible and loud. I clipped and lubed these with Super Lube, and I placed strips of Band-Aid below them to combat the sound they make. I really went all out with this build. I wanted to try to make the quietest mechanical keyboard I could make, and I think I did. This was a pretty fun build. It was my first build with lube switches, and let me tell you, that takes some time, but it was so worth it. The keyboard feels so smooth to type on and it barely makes any noise. That coupled with the high-end switches, the good bass, and the pretty keycaps, this is my favorite keyboard yet. Thanks for watching.